We are at Stave Lake today and we are going to be hanging out. It's going to be super hot, 34 degrees, that's Celsius. Not sure what it is Fahrenheit, sorry, but it's going to be very, very hot. And we are at Stave Lake in British Columbia. It's a hydro dam and you're going to see it's getting pretty flooded, but that's okay. We're going to have a bit of a swim up bar and we're going to enjoy this beautiful sunshine and weather. on parking in Shady Cedars. So this is officially now, instead of a beach bar, it's now a swim up bar because it's flooded. But it's going to be 34 degrees today, so that'll actually be nice. So we usually hang out here all summer, but this is quite a lot of water. It's not usually like this. This is, well, it's usually high at this time of year, so this is the beginning of July. This is our second time out this year. And this is a reservoir lake, so if you don't know, Stave Lake is a hydro dam reservoir lake. So since we came here the first time this year, you'll see it in our last video, it's actually come up quite a bit. And there was a bit of a beach before, but then as the summer goes, you'll see in upcoming videos that the beach will come. And there'll be more and more beach instead of all water, but this is quite extensive water. But again, it's going to be pretty warm today. So it's going to be 34 degrees Celsius today, I think 35 tomorrow. And at least we can just hang out at the bar with the boat. That's a first. It's an unusual sighting. Doesn't only get better than this. Since last time we were here, which was I think June 25th, the water is like bath water. And it was kind of cold last time. This is like bath water, like pretty warm for this time of year, even though it's pretty high up. Here's your beer. And a raven somewhere yelling. There's a little pool that someone built. That's nice. I gotta tan my wrist because my watch is not on, and I can finally.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Oh,
you so much for watching. If you like this adventure video, check out these ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.